If you're still using an older iPhone, like the iPhone 15, 14, 13, there are a few settings you need to change immediately. Step 1. Back up your iPhone. First, open Settings app and click on your name. Here, tap on iCloud, then scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup. And make sure Backup, this iPhone is turned on. And hit Backup Now. Step 2. Check your software update. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Now click on Software Update. Make sure you have updated to the latest version. Step 3. Optimize battery health. Head back to the Settings app and scroll down and click on Battery. Now tap on Battery Health and Charging. If your maximum capacity is below 80%, it might be time to replace the battery. Now, turn on the toggle next to the Optimized Battery Charging. This helps prevent your battery from degrading too quickly, especially if you keep your phone plugged in overnight. Step 4. Stop background battery drain. In the Settings app, scroll and click on General, and then tap on Background App Refresh. Again, click on it. Simply turn it off. This prevents apps from running in the background and saving battery and improving performance. Now go back and click on Display and Brightness. Scroll down and tap on Auto Lock. Then select 30 seconds. Step 5. Free up storage. Finally, again go back to the Settings app. Scroll and click on General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. You should ideally keep at least 1 GB of free space at all times. If your phone's running out of storage, it can seriously slow down performance. Here's a quick trick. Tap Sort by last used date and delete, or offload any apps you haven't opened in months. Bonus tip. Restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then, press and quickly release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This refreshes the system and clears minor bugs.